Здравствуйте. Меня зовут Дозбаев Кайрат. Я ученый.
Hello, my name is Kairat Dosbaev. I'm a scientist who has been studying antigravity for over 40 years. During this time, I developed the theory of antigravity and the basic operating principle of the antigravity engine. Today, I'd like to tell you about this briefly. You all know that the amount of matter determines the mass of an object. Our planet is a vast amount of matter. So, according to the theory of antigravity, mass is a manifestation of gravity, and the shape of our planet is a manifestation of antigravity. All forms we see on Earth and in space are manifestations of antigravity. Plants, animals, humans, and our galaxy all have their own forms. The growth of plants and animals and the expansion of the universe occur thanks to antigravity. The universe has an anti-gravity model of expansion. Moreover, absolutely all forms on Earth and in space develop according to the principle of the golden ratio. Our universe has extremely strong centers of inhibition. These are black holes, the centers of galaxies. But, as you know, any deceleration causes inertia. The response to deceleration is anti-gravity, which causes the universe to expand. Alien ships know how to release anti-gravity from matter using the Fibonacci sequence. Their engines irradiate a special material, a retainer located around the UFO's circumference with light pulses. Then, at a certain point, anti-gravity is released from the retainer's structural vacuum. You can learn more about the basic operation of an anti-gravity engine and the content of the 5 basic lectures on anti-gravity by following the link below.